Hello, and welcome to Sunbreeze English Podcast. Your daily breeze for learning English through simple conversations, useful words, and easy listening practice. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn English, one breeze at a time. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Sunbreeze English. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe. Hi, listeners. Happy New Year. We're recording this on January 3rd, 2026, so the new year is already a few days old. How are you all doing?
We hope you're having a great start to the year. Before we begin, Joe, how did you spend your new year?
I spent my new year with a few close friends. We cooked food together, played music, and counted down to midnight. Then we watched fireworks from the rooftop. It was beautiful. How about you, Joy?
That sounds really nice. I spent my new year at home with my family. We had a simple dinner, watched fireworks on TV, and talked until midnight. It was quiet, but very special.
Sometimes simple celebrations are the best.
I agree. Before we go on, let's practice a useful small talk sentence.
You can say, I spent my new year with...
For example, I spent my new year with my family.
Or I spent my new year with friends.
Now, let's say it together and add how you spent your new year. Great job! This is a very common sentence you can use when talking with friends or coworkers. Today, we're going to talk about how people celebrate the new year in different countries around the world. It's really interesting because every culture has its own special traditions.
That's right. In many places, like the US or the UK, people watch fireworks, count down to midnight, and maybe kiss someone when the clock strikes 12. But there are many unique traditions too. Joy, can you share one?
Sure. One famous tradition comes from Spain. At midnight, people eat 12 grapes, one grape for each chime of the clock. Each grape represents good luck for 1 month of the new year.
That sounds fun, but also a little stressful. You have to eat them very fast.
Yes, if you finish all 12 on time, it's said to bring good luck, happiness, and prosperity. This tradition is also popular in some Latin American countries, like Mexico and Colombia.
Another tradition I like is from Brazil. On New Year's Eve, many people go to the beach and wear white clothes, which symbolize peace and good luck.
And at midnight, they jump over 7 waves, right?
Exactly. Each jump is for a wish. In places like Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, millions of people celebrate together with music and fireworks.
That sounds amazing. Much better than cold weather fireworks.
Now let's go to Italy. In Italy, people eat lentils on New Year's Eve. Lentils look like small coins, so they symbolize money and wealth for the coming year.
That makes sense. In many cultures, round foods mean good luck because they look like coins. In the Philippines, people eat 12 round fruits, one for each month, to bring prosperity.
And here's a fun fact. Some people in Italy also wear red underwear on New Year's Eve for good luck and love.
Really? Red underwear? That's funny. I didn't know that.
Yes, red is a color for luck and passion.
Another interesting celebration is in Scotland. They call New Year's Eve Hogmanay, and they have a tradition called first footing.
The first person to enter your home after midnight should bring gifts like whiskey or coal for good luck.
And it's even luckier if that person is tall and dark-haired.
Right. They also have big parties, bonfires, and singing.
In Greece, people smash a pomegranate on the ground at their doorstep. The more seeds that scatter, the more luck and abundance you'll have in the new year.
That sounds messy, but fun. In Denmark, people sometimes break old plates in front of their friends' doors to say goodbye to bad luck.
And in Japan,
People eat long noodles called soba on New Year's Eve. The long noodles represent a long and healthy life.
Wow, there are so many traditions related to food. What about something different? Any traditions that are more active?
Absolutely. In Colombia, for example, people who want to travel in the new year walk around their block with an empty suitcase at midnight. They believe this will bring them many travel opportunities.
That's a fun one. I might try that this year. It sounds a lot easier than eating 12 grapes in 12 seconds. Are there any others that involve getting rid of the old and welcoming the new?
Yes, in many Asian countries, like China and Vietnam, cleaning the house before the new year is a very important tradition. It's about sweeping away the bad luck from the past year to make room for good luck in the new one.
That makes a lot of sense. A clean start for a new year. I like that idea. Any other traditions that are about letting go of the old?
In some parts of Ecuador, people create large scarecrow-like figures called años viejos, which represent the old year. At midnight, they burn these figures in the streets. It's a very symbolic way of saying goodbye to the past and welcoming the future.
Burning scarecrows in the streets? That sounds like a big party. It must be amazing to see. It's fascinating how many different ways people have to mark this moment of transition.
Let's pause for a quick vocabulary tip.
Today, we used the phrase New Year tradition. A tradition is something people do every year or for a long time.
For example, eating noodles is a New Year tradition in Japan.
Another useful word is countdown. A countdown means counting numbers backward, like 10, 9, 8.
We watched the countdown to midnight.
And of course, fireworks are popular all over the world, like in Sydney, Australia, or Dubai, with huge displays.
No matter where you are, the new year is about hope, new beginnings, and spending time with family and friends.
Speaking of new beginnings, Joy, do you make New Year's resolutions?
I do, but sometimes I forget them by February. This year, I want to eat healthier, more vegetables, less junk food, and drink more water every day.
That's a great goal. My first resolution is to exercise more. I want to go running 3 times a week. And I also want to practice speaking Spanish so I can try the grape tradition without choking.
Good luck with that. New Year's resolutions give us goals and motivation.
Even if we don't follow all of them, that's okay. What matters is trying.
Thank you, everyone. Happy New Year. May this year give you more motivation to keep practicing English. Follow Sunbreeze English Podcast, listen again to practice, and join us in the next episode for more easy, fun, and relaxing English lessons.
See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to click like and subscribe.